Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Dreametech D9 robot vacuum. In the box, you'll get a quick start guide, user manual, charging dock, power cord, side brush, water tank, mop pad, and Dream D9 robot vacuum. The D9 is Dreametech's first LiDAR-based navigating robot with high-end features, such as no-go zones and invisible wall to keep it out off-limit areas. Not many robots in this price range offer these two features. Navigation is a strong point with efficiency, thanks to the LiDAR sensor. It was decent in cleaning tests, but it could be better. This bot is a combo unit. It will vacuum your home, but with the addition of a special mopping pad it will also do a light wet mop. Interestingly, the water tank for the mop is part of the mopping pad itself, an odd but effective use of space. Dream says it has a 150-minute runtime.
Returning to the dock to charge.
Place the dock against the wall on level floor, and keep a space of more than 0.5 meters on both sides of the dock, and connect the plug to a power socket.
Begin charging.
The Dream D9 is compatible with the Xiaomi Home app, and it is easy to connect. Just follow the instructions on the screen. The D9 app has a live map where you can see, in real time, where the robot is on the map, the size of the area, battery status, and more. When the battery is insufficient in the middle of a cleaning task, Dream D9 will automatically return to dock for charging, and return to the interrupted point to continue cleaning after charging.
Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge. Begin charging. The robot is starting the zoned cleanup. Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge. Begin charging. The robot is starting the room cleanup. Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge. Begin charging. The robot is starting the cleanup.
Empty the contents after every cleaning cycle to prevent dust mites from breeding inside.
The water compartment has been installed. The robot is starting the mopping. Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge. Begin charging. The robot is starting the mopping. Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge. Begin charging.
The Dream D9 has auto-detect anti-fall cliff sensors that will divert the bot away from stairs or ledges. The Dreametech D9 robotic vacuum and mop is one of the most powerful robot vacuums on the market. With 3,000 pascal of suction, it can handle just about any mess. And with its wet mop function, it's ideal for cleaning up hardwoods and tile. Not only that, but it includes a wide array of smart features to make it as efficient and versatile as possible. Thank you for watching.